Hey everyone, Veller is on screen. Today I'll show you how to control your Android phone from a computer. On the computer, open any browser and type in, well, basically any phone. Type in AnyDesk. There you go. Go to the site and click Download for Windows. There, click Download. Click I want the free version and choose where to download it. There, after installing, open it. There, your numbers will be here. I won't show them fully. Now, let's do the same thing on the Android phone. Go to Google Market or Play Store, type AnyDesk and tap Open. Here, tap OK. Enable everything that's needed, turn it all on, otherwise it won't work properly. There, you need to activate everything. You should have check marks everywhere except battery optimization. There. Now here are the numbers. Enter them on the computer. Then click the Connect button. The connection is being made. And here, as you can see, a notification appeared. Tap Accept, tap Start, select the app. And now I'm connected, so we're good to go. When connecting, make sure to enable keyboard and mouse. Click Apply, click Start. And now you can use your phone from the computer. That's it. This was Veller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.